Today we're doing medium problem 3499, maximize active sections with trait 1. So we given binary string, 1 is active, 0 is inactive. We are doing one trait to maximize number of active sections. So number of ones. In one trait we can convert the continuous block of ones that is surrounded by zeros to all zeros. And then convert continuous blocks of zeros that is surrounded by ones to all ones. Maximum number of ones. So basically what we are doing is we can turn like block of zeros, block of ones and block of zeros all into ones. So our block will be 1 0 1 0 1. And that's it. And then we can have a left pointer here and the right pointer here. And then if there would be more stuff, they're doing some augmentation. I mean, I guess we can do augmentation. Because we want let's see what makes okay, and then no, we need to first compute ans, so for our no, let's do like L0 if si is 0, then else ans max ans. Okay, so this should be answer, and no, we are just counting ones, so ans is equal to s count 1 s1 plus s plus 1, and then we do this. So first, while r is less than n and sr is 1, then sr r plus equals 1. So this is what we are interested in. So that's L0. So that's, or like index 0 0, or like now while rn and sr is 0, index 1 0 is r, then we do r plus equals 1, and this is index 0 1 is r. because we need like would be at, so that's as max and plus, and now it's like index so it's like index 1 0 minus index 0 0 plus index we move past first one, past first 0, past first 1, past first while sorry 0. So this is like 1 1, then we want to do so this is basically index 1 0 0 0 and then index 1 1 minus index 0 1, and then we need to shift them, so L so it's index 0 0, index 10, index 0 1, index 1 1, index 0 2, so basically I shift all the numbers. Else so it's like next to oh, so I move it by 2 actually. So this is index 1 0 0 1, index 0 2, and then I need to get because so to index 0 2, and so are you saying we don't override it and then we do while so we move first pointer and then index 1 1 is R, while S no, surprisingly somewhat works. -0 if else 1, -0 if it's after 1, so -1 if and else. Okay, now everything else doesn't work. Index 0 0, index 1 0, index 0 1, index 1 1, index 0 2 R. 2 3 5 and 6 and 6. Should be this minus this and then this minus this, so that's 3 is surrounded by zeros to all zeros, so I mean this is not surrounded, so what do we do? Great question. Break, or maybe, yes, yeah, let's see the wrong answers. No way it works. That's crazy, that's the most ridiculous solution. Okay, that is ridiculous. First submit, that's crazy. Okay, so intuition. Operation turns L dots 0 1 1 L dots 1 1 0 L dots 0 1 L dots 1 0, L dots 0, 1, 1, L dots, too many L dots for me. Okay. Two middle zeros segments into ones segments implies boom. So this will be like 1, 1, 1, 1. What is that? Okay. Okay. Only thing we therefore need is to find 5 blocks, 5 consecutive blocks, ones, zeros, ones, zeros, ones. The answer is the count of all ones in the original string plus counts of zeros in those two zero segments. How do we avoid what next? We move all our pointers by 2 sections to the right. All our sections start pointers by 2 sections to the right. Which we can do in O1 for all but last 2, which we have to move by iterating the right order. We are at the next possible situation. This way we move the window through all n positions and each takes one to evaluate, since the sizes of the segments are easily calculated from start indices of the section segments. Okay, one edge case is to check if both zero segments exists, otherwise we cannot do a trade and we can just finish early. OM, since we find the initial move pointers through the entire wing. Couple of indices. Okay, kind of pain, but see you tomorrow.